This is a child labor which is working. There is a cruel man. This is a cruel man who make it possible. This small kid is doing work as a welding.
If you are not going to teach the children, they might end up suffering after our death.
He's doing welding. He's not educated, but he's doing welding. He's learning with his expert uncle. So he's under training. His age is just how many years old?
Must have been 13 book.
12 years old boy in Malawi. Passion towards work. This is really, I'm watching it first time. Somebody's at this age is doing welding. It's not an easy job, but still he has started at this age. What's your name? What's your name?
Precious.
Precious.
Yeah.
You like this work?
Yes.
Do you enjoy?
Yeah.
Or your uncle do it forcefully?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do you like it or your uncle force you to do work?
Yeah.
What?
Hello?
No, Precious. Your uncle force you to do work
Yes.
or you like it, that's why you do work?
Yes, I would like it.
You like it?
Yes.
He's not forcing you. Your uncle. Your uncle is not forcing you to do work.
Huh? No.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Why you do work? This work.
What?
Why you do work? This work, welding work.
I want to do work.
Okay. Do you go to school
Yes.
every day?
Yes.
Okay. This you do it in your hobby, yeah? Like a hobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
12 years boy is really doing welding. It's amazing. I've never seen it. This thing is possible. Well, he's learning. I think he's getting better gradually. This is his uncle. So, what is your name?
Daniel.
Daniel. Okay, Daniel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Let him study also. Okay. Let him do study also. He should go to school also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to do, but she used to do negligence.
Okay.
Neglecting is good.
That's a hobby.
I used to force him
Okay. You force him for the school.
for the school.
Very good.
He's running away from the school.
Very good. Yeah. You should just encourage him for schooling. Yeah. All right, Precious. Thank you. Nice job.